Come test drive 2021 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, keyless ignition, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.